Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I wanted to talk to you about a gift set from Briogeo for the holiday season. It's perfect to you, from you of course, but if you have a beauty lover in your life, you're not sure what to get them, everything in this set works for all hair types, and it's just really good options from one of my favorite brands, so I said let me hop on here and tell you about it. Real quick, this hair is day 3 hair. Day 3 hair that has survived 2 workouts and an hour-and-a-half long medical massage. And this is what it's looking like. I'm having really good day 3 hair. Of course, day 1 I did use the mask in this kit along with some other Briogeo products and other stuff as well. And honestly, I haven't had day 3 hair that's looking this good, at least in my opinion, in quite a while. But back to the kit. What this is the Hair-O-Scope Brightest Stars Briogeo bestseller kit. It's $39 US, $50 Canada. It has a $54.50 US retail value if you get this during the Sephora VIB sale, or if you get it on Briogeo.com. I do have a referral code that can save you money. You could probably get it even cheaper, and the price is such a steal. So the box is really cute. It's all astrology, and I feel like astrology is so big in the beauty community, even in makeup and everything lately. Really pretty. Then it says over here, the stars predict beautiful hair in your future. Open it up. Got some goodies. Something fell. And then it just says all different type of horoscopes, and it's in English, and then it's also in French, so it looks like a lot more. It just says, what's your sign? I'm not going to read you all the signs because no one wants to hear that, but I'll just read my sign. I'm an Aquarius, and it just says that no one trusts in your process like an Aquarius. New talents and interests are beginning to bloom for you. These will grow and flourish as you strengthen your relationship with yourself. Saturn, being in retrograde in your 6th house of health, will give you the energy to restructure your wellness and beauty routines. Get excited about implementing a new hair care regimen or fitness practice. So it just has all cute little beauty related horoscopes. And what's in here, I'll start with the star of the show. And another reason I decided to do this video is because I do a lot of videos when Briogeo releases new products, but I never really go back and talk about my favorites as much. Although if you follow me on Instagram, DianeMary126, you see that I tag the products and mention them all the time. The number 1 product for me being this right here, and this is Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Deep Treatment Mask. My favorite mask in the whole entire wide world. I talk about this constantly. If you do watch my empties videos, you see that I'm constantly emptying them because I go through them. I use this once a week religiously. I use this on my wash day for day 1, now it's day 3 hair. But this is, like all Briogeo products, of course, 6'3". There is no sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, DEAs, artificial dyes, or fragrances in it. Cruelty-free, they're eco-conscious, the smell is really good. The smells aren't synthetic either because there's no fragrance, so then shouldn't trigger migraines the way a lot of stuff can with heavy perfumes. But why I love this mask, which is an Allure Best of Beauty winner, says it right there, is a perfect mixture of strength, proteins, and moisture. So it's repairing my hair, it's hydrating my hair, it's leaving my hair soft, it's helping with manageability, it's helping with length retention. That's the big thing with this mask, is the more consistent you are with using it, it helps with breakage. So this definitely is helping my hair grow long and strong. This is where we're currently at. I do have to back up a little bit, trying to get my hair as long as I could get it, as mermaid-like as I could get it, but I just cannot say enough good things. If I was rich, which I'm so far from rich, I would just buy a jar for everyone who has hair on the planet, because that's how good this stuff is. But you get this, and this is full size. This alone I think retails for, I want to say $38 for 8 ounces, and the whole kit is $39. So that's the full size. That, in my opinion, is the star of the show. Then we have 3 minis here, and it says Outshine the Stars. Really cute. So let's just continue on. So the first little mini is a shampoo, and this is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro-Exfoliating Shampoo. This is part of Briogeo Scalp Revival series. I did a blog post when it first came out. We'll post it below if you want to check it out. This is, for me, I like to use this as a clarifying shampoo. I'll use this once or twice a month, depending on if my scalp's feeling itchy, if I have any buildup in my hair. But this is really made if you have any scalp issues at all, any flakiness, any dandruff. And the brand can't make clinical claims, but people who have had dandruff, psoriasis, eczema, and stuff like that have felt relief. Again, can't make claims, one-on-one opinion on what they felt, but really, really good. This has rave reviews for good reason. And it's actually, the full size comes in a jar, kind of like this, which is unusual for a shampoo. I like that this little 1 ounce here, this is good for travel. It's in a tube. Smells like chocolate mint. The smell is so good, and I'll use it as the weather's getting colder now. My skin, including my scalp, is getting abnormally dry, so I've been using this like twice a month. And then they have in the Scalp Revival line, not included in this kit, a scalp treatment I've been using that's been like my saving grace. And my mom, who is in her 70s, has scalp psoriasis, and the shampoo has made such a difference in her hair, even her hairdresser noticed. So you get a little sample of that. And if you have a normal, totally healthy scalp, awesome, use it as a clarifying shampoo to remove buildup, and you'll be happy you did. And of course, you do need to follow it with conditioner because it does clarify, and you're going to need to add the moisture back into your hair, but it does a good job. Moving on, we have 0.75 ounces of the Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream. Cute little travel size here. Rosarco is one of Briogeo's franchises. Rosarco stands for rosehip, argan, and coconut oil, and that is the base within all the Rosarco products. This is great if you blow dry or if you diffuse your hair. I don't diffuse my hair all that often, although in the winter when it gets cold, I have to diffuse it more because I just need my hair to dry, so I try to get warm. But this is my go-to of choice to protect my hair against the heat of the blow dryer. A little bit goes a long way. It is a cream. It is not heavy. It is not sticky. It is not greasy. And again, like all Briogeo, it smells really good. But I like that it adds shine and it helps to repair the hair as well. And it just says it's a finishing formula. Said all that, enhanced shine, it tames frizz, protects against damage up to 450 degrees. Honestly, you shouldn't even have hot tools up that high. You're just asking to like damage your hair. They shouldn't be, I forget, I'm not a hairstylist obviously, but I think they shouldn't be above 400, I've heard hairstylists say. There's also algae extract and panthenol in here to strengthen the hair and help to prevent split ends caused by heat. But yeah, if you use heat, this will be your best friend. If you air dry a lot like me, it actually makes a really nice cream for hair to air dry too, because I've totally done that. Last but not least, the last thing in this kit, if I could get it out, it is stuck. Why didn't I take this out beforehand? Alright, we're gonna deconstruct this. There we go. That wasn't as bad as I was expecting, but this is another thing from the Rosarco line, and this is the Rosarco Milk. And this is a spray. Ow, I just hit my knuckles on my table, but this is a spray that's Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This also has heat protectant too, and I kind of like using the cream over the spray just because the cream also gives a little weight to my hair, and my hair personally, when I do diffuse, it gets a little too voluminous for me, so the cream kind of helps fight that unwanted poof. But you could totally use the spray as well. Again, it has the same rosehip, argan, coconut oils, and then it goes into French in here, so okay. But it's a leave-in. If you have hair that is very fine, very weighed down, you could use this on wet hair as your leave-in. I need something a little richer because my hair is very dry and high porosity. Also, it's really well as a refresher spray. I've used this on a refresher spray on day 2, day 3 hair in the past. Put other products over it. Really nice. So yeah, that's it. Just a thought gift if you want to yourself. If you've never tried Briogeo and you really want to, this is an excellent way to give the brand a shot with some bestsellers, or like I said, makes a great ready to bow and go gift. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, subscribe. That would be so awesome, and I'll see you next video. Bye.